In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track tasks in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system your whole team can follow. We'll start by creating a dedicated task page in the space where you plan to manage work. Open the right space, click Create, and name the page something clear, like Team Tasks or Sprint Task Board. Keeping tasks in a single, predictable place prevents things from getting scattered and makes it easier for teammates to find what they need fast. Next, add task lists directly on that page. Type /task or click the checklist icon, then write a short, action-focused description. Assign it to the right person and set a due date. As soon as you assign someone, they'll get a notification, which helps accountability without extra pings or meetings. Keep descriptions concise and specific so that anyone reading the page can instantly understand what needs to happen. For broader visibility, insert a task report macro. Type /task report, insert it, and configure the filters that matter most to you, like space, assignee, due date, and status. This generates a dynamic view that automatically rolls up tasks from the locations you choose, so you can quickly see what's due soon, who's responsible, and what might be slipping. Quick note while we're here, I've added a link to the Confluence website, plus download links for the official apps, right at the top of the description, so you can jump in immediately on web, desktop, or mobile. As your task inventory grows, keep everything organized with labels on the pages that contain tasks. Use clear, consistent tags like marketing, development, or Q1. Then, filter your task report by those labels to slice big projects into manageable views. This simple structure makes reporting and handoffs much smoother. To track progress at a glance, add status indicators such as to do, in progress, and done. Place them next to task sections or inside context tables. For priority work, use visual panels to spotlight blockers or high urgency items. Combining tasks, status labels, and a small progress table gives stakeholders a quick, reliable snapshot without manual updates. Finally, keep the system healthy. Regularly review completed tasks, archive outdated task pages so your reports stay clean, and adjust deadlines when priorities shift. Consistency is what keeps the task report useful and prevents surprises. Before you roll this out to the whole team, start with a small test task list to make sure everything works the way you expect. That's it. Your task tracking in Confluence is ready to scale. Thanks for watching.